Today we will discuss the quotient rule in differentiation with the help of animation. Here ddx of u by v, where u is in numerator and v is in denominator, is equal to v times, that is denominator times differentiation of u, that is numerator, this, minus numerator times, that is u, differentiation of denominator, that is v, whole divided by denominator v square. So this is what is quotient rule or quotient formula. Quotient rule sometimes we call division rule also, because two functions, one is dividing the other. Now to remember this formula, it is a bit confusing. Many students makes mistake. So you can compare this with product formula. Product formula is very simple, because in that we are simply differentiating one function at a time, keeping the other outside. Each term we differentiate, and in between we place plus sign here. But in quotient rule, instead of plus sign, we put minus sign here. We have to put minus sign. So this is one point to be remembered. Second point is, since it is minus sign, so we have to change. We cannot change the order of differentiation, like we cannot differentiate v first. We have to differentiate u first, numerator first. These two things, if you remember, so numerator part is clear to you. Now about the denominator part. Denominator part is nothing but just the square of denominator. This is what is quotient rule. So if you once remember these points, then nothing new here to be remembered. Examples of quotient rule. Find ddx of the following expression. Here two problems are given. In both of them, there are two terms. One is in numerator, another one is in denominator. Here also log x is divided by e to the power 3x. So quotient rule or division rule will apply here. So pause and try these sums, else see the solution below. Here example number 1 or A. So ddx of e to the power 2x by x cube is equal to x cube times ddx of e to the power 2x, that is numerator, minus numerator times ddx of the denominator divided by denominator square. So I have shown it with the animation so that you can remember the formula. Rest is just simple or standard differentiation you have to apply. Here we have just, these are some indices. X cube whole square is x to the power 6. Now we are taking common out of it x square and x cube. So x square comes out and cancels with denominator. So final term is x to the power 4 in denominator, and x 2x minus 3 remains inside bracket, and e to the power 2x we have taken out. It's common. This is the final answer. Second sum, or example number B. Here also we have got log x in numerator, e to the power 3x in denominator. With the help of animation I am showing so that you can remember the formula. This is very confusing formula. Many student makes mistake here. So you have to just remember that we have to differentiate numerator first. This is one thing. And minus sign in between in numerator. And denominator will be simply the square of denominator of the given expression. Rest is algebraic simplification. So I just simplified to some extent. Here also it can be further simplified, cancelling e to the power 3x with e to the power 6x. So the in denominator it will be e to the power 3x. This is simple indices.